Garbage truck not lifting? Stop right now. This hydraulic failure can shut down your entire system and cost you serious time and money if ignored. First, check your hydraulic fluid level carefully. Low fluid is the most common reason your lifting system suddenly stops working.
When fluid drops below safe level, pressure cannot build and your hydraulic arm loses all lifting power instantly. Add the correct hydraulic oil slowly. Using the wrong oil can damage seals and reduce system performance. Now inspect every hose carefully. Even a small crack can cause pressure loss and stop lifting completely. Leaks are dangerous because they slowly reduce pressure and you may not notice until the system fails. Tighten all connections properly. Loose fittings are one of the most common causes of hydraulic failure. Check the hydraulic pump. If it cannot build pressure, the system will not lift heavy loads. Strange noise or vibration means the pump is struggling and may fail soon. Now check the control system. Sometimes the issue is just a faulty control, not the whole machine. Move it slowly and watch response. If nothing happens, pressure is not reaching the system. Check the cylinder for damage. Internal leaks can completely stop lifting. Look closely at the cylinder surface. Oil marks or wet areas clearly indicate internal leakage that reduces lifting pressure. Clean the area and inspect again. Small leaks often get ignored but can lead to complete system failure over time. Now take a full system look. Make sure everything from fluid to hoses to pump is properly connected and working. Activate the system slowly. Watch carefully how the machine responds before applying full load. Test slowly, watch the response.